Hey everyone! Welcome back to GE Tutorials. You're about to ace grade 11 math, and today we're diving into the world of rational expressions and equations. Let's make this as painless as possible and get you those grades you deserve. First up, rational expressions. So what's the deal here? Imagine you have multiple operations to deal with, all in one go. Scary, right? Not really. Just remember the order of operations, or as I like to call it, the PEMDAS, for rational expressions. Start by clearing the brackets. Next, tackle all the multiplication and division as they appear from left to right. Only once you've done that, move on to addition and subtraction in the order they occur. Okay, let's move on to rational equations. Think of a rational equation as a rational expression that's part of an equation. Solving these bad boys is all about using the properties of equality along with the properties of rational expressions. For example, if you have 3 plus 2 over x equals 5 over x, you need to find that common ground. Here's a pro tip: multiply both sides by the least common denominator, the LCD. This helps you get rid of those pesky denominators. Imagine you're working on the super rational equation. By multiplying both sides by the LCD, you simplify the equation down to something way more manageable. But hold up, don't rush to celebrate just yet. You need to check your answers for extraneous roots. Extraneous roots are those sneaky solutions that seem right at first but don't actually work when you plug them back into the original equation. Always double check to make sure your solution is solid and valid. Alright, let's recap. For multiple operations with rational expressions, just remember to clear brackets first, handle multiplication and division next, and finish with addition and subtraction. For rational equations, use the least common denominator to simplify, and always check for extraneous roots. That's it, folks. You're now equipped to tackle rational expressions and equations like a pro. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll ace that grade 11 math exam in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more math tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Remember, math is all about practice and persistence. The more you work on these problems, the more intuitive they will become. Use online resources, apps, and study groups to reinforce your understanding. You've got this. Stay positive, keep pushing forward, and soon, rational expressions and equations will be second nature to you.